What's going on, peoples? I just want to let you guys know that, you know, the order of which I upload my videos is kind of contrary to where I said I was going to do it in the vlogs. Well, that's kind of because as I'm doing one video and have one video ready, the other ones I'm currently editing. So, yeah, I just want to give you guys a bit of a heads up just to let you guys know what's going on. But enough of that. Let's get on to the video. What's up, YouTubers? Check it out. DNA Motorings full exhaust kit. Look at this. Oh man. Look at this thing. It's the first shiny and polished. You guys see this thing? Oh my god. Such beauty. Oh. What else we got? We got the header here, guys. Check this out. The header. Look at this. Came with the shortest thing in the vitamin D. Look at this. Straight piping, guys. Straight piping. Look how clean it looks in there. Oh man. 4-to-1 headers. I ain't just the cat guys. I got the whole full exhaust, guys. A full exhaust system here. Look at this. Holy moly. Look at this beauty. Oh man, I don't even want to take her out the lab, but this quick look. Look at this. Oh man. Oh, it came out. It came out. Check it out. Oh wow. That thing is, man. All this going down the vitamin D. You know what they say? Out with the old and then with the new. Got 20-year-old parts on that car, so you know things are gonna, you know. But before that, just got the upgraded stuff. Let me show you guys this. Maybe Tyler wants to see this right now. The muffler. Come on, open up at the end so I can see you. Oh man. Look at this baby. Oh man. Look at this. Oh, look at that sunshine. Man. Man, oh man. Comes with a silencer too. So awesome. Yes. Oh. Can't wait to throw this thing on, guys. It's gonna be an upcoming video for that. For you guys as well. And they got more stuff for more parts in there, but I don't feel like taking them all out because you know you guys get the gist. But yeah, that's just a little teaser for you guys. But as you can see, I have the full exhaust kit here, people. Full exhaust. I will be throwing this thing on the car soon. Probably when the weather be right. It'll be sunny and nice. That's when I'll throw it on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Woo! Can't wait. See you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.